like to introduce you to the Create Healthy Choice program. This program was designed by health professionals at Utah State University and follows the guidelines and recommendations that the USDA puts forth. These recommendations are reliable sources for nutrition education as they are updated every 5 years with the most up-to-date data and scientific research. The goal of our program is simple: make healthy choices visible to those receiving emergency food from food sites such as food pantries. We recognize that there may not be many of these options at times, and we respect that. We strive to highlight those options when they are available and create more opportunities for healthy food within your pantry. Highlighting healthy choices in our program is simple and easy. A healthy choice tag is hung underneath food items that meet specific yet simple nutrition criteria. Some of these foods include increased fiber, vitamins, minerals, and protein, as well as foods that are lower in sodium, added sugar, and saturated and trans fats. But why? Why is it important to increase some ingredients and decrease others? A diet high in saturated fat and trans fats and added sugar and sodium can lead to chronic diseases that are very costly to manage. Some of these diseases include type 2 diabetes, heart disease, metabolic syndrome, obesity, and even dental cavities. Educating your recipients about these healthier choices can help prevent development of these diseases and improve their health and longevity. Now, you don't have to be an expert in healthy food recognition to implement this program. Following a few simple steps can help to increase education and healthy food recognition within your pantry. Encouraging your recipients to make healthier choices and make simple, healthy shifts in their diet can make a big impact on their well-being and disease prevention in their lives long term.